Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, here with the S23 Ultra that just officially released today. I want to go over something that is basically the talk of the forums right now, Reddit, Samsung members, everywhere, Twitter. People are posting this little thing that they are calling a defect. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on camera, but right there on the very edge where the screen meets the bezel, it looks like the OLED is kind of folded down just ever so slightly. And on my phone, I can only see this when I'm looking at it upside down, so, you know, looking top down, and in very certain lighting conditions, I can kind of see it right there. But with the phone on, I can't see anything at all. There's nothing down there to see. You can't see it from this angle. And people are thinking this is a defect. They're trying to get their phones replaced, all this kind of stuff. I believe Samsung has already said in other countries that it's not necessarily a defect, and they're not going to be replacing devices for that small little issue. And I kind of agree with that, because if it was a defect, all the phones look the same down there. If it was a manufacturing defect, I don't think it would be uniform across all the devices. So design, bad design maybe, but an actual defect that's going to cause problems, no, I don't think so. And like I said, phone, even screen off like this, I can't see anything down there. It looks perfectly normal. And screen on, definitely, it's, you know, you can't see anything. Screen on, upside down, when there's actually, you know, a picture down there, or, you know, something that's not totally black, you can't see it either. So you have to be looking for this. You have to be in the bright lighting, holding the phone the right way, squinting, you know, whatever, you name it, to find this little flaw down there, if you even want to call it that. So I don't think it's necessarily a defect, and I don't think you need to get your phone replaced over it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.